Hello, I am Adrien and I'm presenting for Boralien Team. Our goal is to track the evolution of the erosion on Veneto's coastline, and we divided our approach in three parts. First of all, we want to detect and track the shoreline of Veneto's lagoon. Secondly, we want to correlate satellite imagery with in-situ information to evaluate the impacts of the erosion for the local population and for globally the environment and the activities around. And in the third part, we want to estimate the impact of local policies to fight against the erosion. Veneto Stars Challenge is a huge opportunity for us. It allowed us to meet a lot of persons from the spatial industry. We are 3 French students and we are graduating in less than 2 weeks. So it's really important for us to be part of this project, to meet persons from all of Europe and learn a lot from ESA members, ASI members, and learn a lot about UNESCO.